Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Just a heads up, it's going to be a longer today. I've got a lot of information to share here. I noticed there's a lot of houses for sale. You probably have two between 1 million, 1.2, 1.3 in Nanaimo. Seem to be everywhere, and a lot of them are taking a long time to sell. Why is that? Now we'll leave that for a minute and go over to the government new financing rules from CMHC. And these are the changes, I should say. 5% on the first 500,000, 10% on the balance. That's the minimum required to purchase a home up to 1.5 million. Old rules used to be 20% down. So how does this work out on a sale price of 1.2 million? Well, when you do all that math, it's a $95,000 down payment required on a $1.2 million purchase. There's also 44,000 of CMHC rule fees, I should say. So when you do all that math together, you're going to get a mortgage of $1,149,000. So how does that work out to, and how much per month? People always ask us that, right? Well, that's going to be $5,721 a month is that mortgage payment. But here's the other kicker. To qualify for that, the household income has to be approximately $253,000. Now we know that the average household income here in Nanaimo is about $80,000. So you're after, 3 times the average income, and that's why a lot of homes in that price range aren't selling. Just not as many people can afford it. Hey, it's just the way it is. The costs are high. So if you have your house for sale in that price range, misery loves company, but that's part of the reason buyers are on the sidelines thinking, wow, I don't have that income to support that. And so you're seeing price reductions, and around it goes. But good information. Reach out 250-616-3641, and I can go over it in more detail. Okay? Have a great day.